Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today is a very special episode because we get to unbox the first signature sneaker of a fellow sneaker YouTuber as well as a friend. He actually visited Manila last year. He was here for Manila Sneaker Expo. This is the Seth Fowler We Are Underdogs Origins. Seth's first signature sneaker. Let's unbox it, put it on feet, and check it out. Let's go. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are giving away a couple of Yeezy-inspired face masks as well as sneaker cleaning solutions. So make sure that you hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, join my Facebook community, like my Facebook page. All the links can be found down below. Who is Seth Fowler? You guys probably know who he is. If you are watching my channel, chances are you probably watch him also. Who is We Are Underdogs? According to their website, they are a creative platform with the mission to bring to life new concepts of sneakers from young, talented designers and content creators with a fresh approach. So with that said, let's jump right into the shoe. Now, so you guys can see it comes in this black box. It has the We Are Underdogs logo at the top. I actually unboxed this already and put it on feet. So the laces are using the orange laces, but the default is actually the white laces. I'll show you video clips of me putting them on feet on both laces in a bit. Now it comes with this card, which is a message from the designer. So it says here, we are underdogs, Seth Fowler, special collaboration for us. Beat them up, enjoy them. Long text, won't read the entire thing, but it is a message from Seth and we are underdogs. And then, ba-bam, this is the shoe. Now, to all of you skeptics are probably thinking, hey, that's just a mass-produced sneaker in China with Seth Fowler's name, something that he thought up. That couldn't be farther from the truth. If you are following, or if you did follow Seth's vlog and his journey in creating this, he actually flew to Portugal to work with the team on the design process. He designed it from the ground up. And another amazing fact is that this sneaker is handcrafted and it is made from premium materials. This blue part along the sides of the shoe and here along the collar is made from soft calf leather. This gray part over here at the toe box is actually full grain nubuck. The beige suede that you see here along the middle of the shoe and along the side is actually Italian calf suede. The lining is made out of full leather. You have a memory foam insole over here, and then the outsole is made from extra light EVA, which also has an anti-slip bottom. A few more extra details. You have the We Are Underdogs logo over here, and you have Seth's signature here along the back of the shoe, which is under this nice pull tab. So how is the sneaker style-wise? Now, obviously, this is very subjective and very personal, but Seth kind of hit the nail on the head for my personal preference because he used two of my favorite colors. One, some sort of light orange, almost salmon pink in color, and two, a baby light blue kind of color for the shoe. And number three, he used suede, and number four, he used leather. Actually, those four things I look for and love in shoes. So since all of those four things are here, I'm really digging the shoe. It's a big bonus, of course, that Seth dropped by in Manila and we actually got to meet him when he was here for Manila Sneaker Expo. Now, the big question is, how is the sneaker on feet? Setting aside style and just focusing on comfort, the cushioning is pretty okay, mainly due to the memory foam insole. Now, I won't kid you and I won't BS you and say that it's the most comfortable sneaker I ever tried, because that's really not the case. I have to be honest here. But it's still okay for a leather shoe, because the typical leather sneaker has very hard outsoles for some reason and midsoles, while this one actually is much better thanks to the memory foam insole that they used. Kinda reminds me how World Balance uses their insoles to be able to give that shoe a memory foam tempur-like feeling, kinda like the Invictus. To give you guys an idea, this is how thick the memory foam insole is of the actual shoe. Now, to be more specific on that point on leather shoes, for example, if you were to compare it to the Superstar, I actually prefer the cushioning that I get from the midsole and the insole of this one compared to that classic or even the Stan Smith. I also found that while it does have some sort of like narrow midfoot section, the upper part is a little bit more generous and giving, and that's why even if you have like wide feet, you won't feel any imbalance or stability issues with the shoe. Now, having the sneaker on hand and putting it on feet, it tells me a couple of things about the designer, which is Seth. Definitely knows his colors, definitely knows his color blocking, knows his materials, how to mesh them well, definitely can design sneakers mainly because of his profession and his job prior to this. And the guy has so much potential to come up with even more amazing designs in the future. If I were to add like one bit of advice, maybe Seth, you can take a look at putting something that's distinctly you in all of your sneakers. Maybe like a brand asset, kind of like a bad example, maybe like Off-White has the zip tie, the quotation marks, and the diagonal thingy. I'd love to see your take on what that is. What is that unique brand signature that you have that you can put all over your sneakers and that you can be famous for? I'm cheering for you, man. Thank you for sending this over. I appreciate it. I appreciate the friendship. I appreciate the camaraderie. Guys, that's actually for our vlog for today. As usual, peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.